everyone, I'm Rachel. Today I will introduce characteristics of design of structure with sub-spindle. The compact spindle structure improves the rigidity and stability of the whole machine. The supporting action of the sub-spindle can reduce the vibration of the spindle, thereby improving the dimensional accuracy and surface quality of the workpiece. The sub-spindle design extends the processing range of the machine and supports the processing of longer workpieces. At the same time, the sub-spindle enhances the collapsing force of the workpiece, which is suitable for the processing of larger size and complex shaped parts. In addition, the independent control of sub-spindle improves operational flexibility and improves overall processing efficiency.